In terms of melting, we're melting approximately 14,000 tonnes a year. Well, the key driver to our melting strategy was to deliver clean metal at the correct temperature for every component that we made. That requirement using Striko has been met. We first installed Striko melters in each of our manufacturing units in 2000. We installed 6, and we carried on using Striko, and next year we'll install the 13th manufacturing cell, including a Striko melter. Yes, we always check the initial metal loss, obviously using clean ingot at the start, and we achieve the Striko numbers. It depends, but generally we're mixing 60 to 40 ingot to returns. We work the melters very hard. We work 6 days a week, 24 hours a day, 50 weeks a year. We rate it excellent. In 15 years of using Striko melters, we're just about to have our 3rd rebrick. Our furnaces in aggregate have worked over 150 years. And annually, in terms of general maintenance, we have a visit from Striko. We determine jointly what needs to be done in terms of small maintenance, and we encompass that maintenance during the 1 week in a year that we close down. So it all works very efficiently. Support from Striko is excellent. We can always reach someone by telephone. Spares are always quickly available. And more importantly, engineers are quickly available. So we can always guarantee seeing someone within 24 hours. Yeah, since we started, Striko have been our first port of call for new capacity. We do recommend Striko to colleagues, and we allow Striko to bring potential new customers into our plant to see how our kit works, and we're quite open in talking to people about how well the furnaces work for us.